Hello, this is Raina with LYLO Crafts coming on today with a few more entries into my celebration challenge. I am just so blessed by all of this, and if you haven't entered and you would like to, I'll put a link to the video in the description below. It goes through July 16. So your entry has to be received by July 16, but I also have like a free part too, where you don't have to send anything in. So if you want to go and check that out, I'll put it below, and let's go ahead and jump on in. This first entry comes from Kelly Santee of Kelly Santee Designs, and I will put a link to her channel in the description below. You guys, she is one of the most amazing card makers that I have seen, and she's just always filled with creativity, and she's always coming up with such incredible ideas for collabs and crafts. So if you do not subscribe to her, I just encourage you to go and check her out because she is so super talented. Now, she packaged her things up with this beautiful, fun, like, what do you call it? Glitter on the tissue paper, and she also included tons of these little styrofoam balls in the same happy fun colors. So I just wanted to see that for fun packaging idea. Okay, let's open this first card. Oh, and this one is a thank you, and it says, "Dear sweet Raina, thank you so much for participating in my birthday challenge. I loved your entry and you. Blessings, Kelly." Oh, that's so sweet, Kel. Thank you so much. And look at these beautiful peacock stickers. Oh, so super fun. I love those. I love those. And Kelly, you are going to laugh, but we have like such similar taste. Let me show you. Look, I bought the same thank you cards. So, you know, we've got similar tastes. All right. So let's look at this next card. Handmade by Kelly of Kelly Santee Designs. Oh, wow. Look at this card, you guys. So beautiful. All the embossing folder that she did. Happy birthday, that is stamped. And then a flower that is stamped and then all colored in. And the sequins and the layering, so beautiful. And then it opens like this. I just love when cards open like that. And it says, "Dear sweet Raina, sending you great big blessings and much love for your birthday and anniversary. You were one of my very first friends on YouTube." Oh, how fun. And you were mine. I mean, you guys, Kelly was the first person to send me Happy Mail on YouTube. And it says, "And I've been so honored to have connected as creators and friends. Absolutely. You are kind and talented, beautiful inside and out, and truly bless us all. Lots of love to you as you celebrate, Kelly." Oh, Kelly, I just feel the same way about you. That is just so, so sweet. Thank you so much. What a beautiful sentiment and a gorgeous, gorgeous card. And then here is her ATC card. "And wishing you all you're wishing for." That's such a fun sentiment. And it says, "Be happy." And it's got all this beautiful layering. And you guys, don't you love how she tore this? And then yet it has like a perfect edge as well. Such a beautiful idea. Okay, so thank you so much, Kelly. I love your ATC card. I love your ATC card. Okay, so let's open these up. Look at this sweet bag with a pink bag with the gold foil hearts. That's so nice, so nice. And let's see what this is. Oh, that's so sweet. This is a spool. And then she shared some of this special, someone told me this stuff is called snippets, but it's like, she shared like an embellishment roll with me with fabric and beautiful snippets of fabric. I love that. And I've recently started sewing, so this is going to be so perfect next to my sewing machine until I use these snippets. Oh, that's so cute. I love that, Kelly. That is so creative. So creative. And I love the pink wooden spools for sure. Okay. Oh my goodness. These are her embellishments. Look at these bottle cap embellishments. They are so pretty. This one says, "My dear," with a bird, and these are flowers. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. So pretty, Kelly. Wow, those are so pretty. Thank you so much. I love them. I love them. And then look at these that she made also. So this is all layered up on frames, which is so cool. And it has pink and black and gold. I just love those. Those are very, very elegant. Very elegant. Very sweet. Love that so much. And let's see here. Oh my goodness, she made me one of these. I saw her making one of these in Shabby Chic for another one of her friends on her channel. I think these little shadow boxes with little art in every single corner are so sweet. And I will definitely be saving this to display in my craft room. Oh my gosh, that is so awesome. So awesome. I love the dimension to this and the colors. Oh, that is so great. Thank you so much, Kelly. I just love everything that you made. So as you guys can see, she is so incredibly talented. So you've got to go and check her out. Okay, let me clear this off and we'll jump into the next one. Okay, this next one comes from my sweet friend Paula, and she is the Flavorful Home here on YouTube, and I will put a link to her channel in the description below. Okay, so let's start with her gorgeous card. And it says beautiful, and look at all of her layering and inking. Oh, just gorgeous. I think these are Nuvo drops on here that she added. And it says, hi, Raina. Thanks for hosting this wonderful giveaway. Congrats to you. Here's to more crafting. Amen to that. Paula, the Flavorful Home. So I so love that. So love that. Thank you so much. It's such a pretty card, Paula. And then look, she made me a mason jar Memdex. Oh, you guys, she does canning on her channel too. I have learned so much from watching her channel. So it's got twine around here. It's got vegetables. It says home sweet home. It even has a seed packet out the side. Paula, this is just amazing. I love it. Oh my gosh. And when I see this, I will always remember you. I will always remember you. So great. Thank you so much. And also thank you for these beautiful layered up bows that you have here. Oh, they are so pretty. And this is such a neat way how that ribbon turned out. So I'm going to have to maybe take that apart to see how you did that. So pretty. I love that. I love that. And then she shared this beautiful glassine bag with me, and I did cut the bottom off but I forgot to push record. So this is take two. And so look at this beautiful doily she cut out in scallop circle to make this bag topper with a beautiful bow, rolled flowers, and a butterfly. So pretty. Really, really pretty. And inside are her two embellishments. Look at these beautiful circle embellishments. I love the glitter on the butterflies, and it says treasure. What a beautiful sentiment is that, and wonderful. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. Thank you so much, Paula. And then also look at this. Hope, Love, and Dream, and she's got a beautiful bird cage on here and a beautiful way that this is all cut out in the scallops. Oh my gosh, your layering and your use of color is just stunning. Just stunning. So that is Paula's entry. So again, I'll put a link to her channel in the description below. So please go and check her out and show her some crafty love. Show Kelly some crafty love too from Kelly Santee Designs. And I thank you, lovely ladies, for these gorgeous entries. And you guys, thank you for spending time with me today. And I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.